Welcome to FulbrightX, where X marks the space for exchange, experiment, and exceptional.
Hi, I'm Willem Smith, lead faculty for FulbrightX.
FulbrightX is not just a professional development program, it is a transformative journey. Here, we connect people and ideas to create the solutions for today's and tomorrow's challenges. Our courses are designed to break silos and foster collaboration across disciplines and industries. At FulbrightX, it's all about exchanging ideas and connecting with inspiring people. Our KPI? 42. It is inspired by the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, where 42 is the answer to everything live in the universe. But here at FulbrightX, 42 stands for all the ideas and the new connections you find and create together. Because it's ultimately about finding and pointing out more than 42 ways of professional growth.
With our one-day courses, ranging from decision strategies to corporate innovation, FulbrightX equips you with the actionable tools and skills for dealing with such a dynamic and fast-growing environment like Vietnam.
In all of our programs, new ideas meet people and connections, leading to transformation and positive change. Let's shape the future together. Join us at FulbrightX.